So hello, welcome to our channel. Aslan with us. So in today topic, we're gonna talk about the dormitory roadmap. In this video, we're gonna talk about how dormitory, what are these some local laws and regulations, and we also talk about some case use and some important uses, what dormitory is and how to set up it. And in next video, we're gonna talk about if we set up a dormitory, how we can just promote it using different methods, either by Google Business Map or how to set up a WhatsApp business account and how to set up a website or any other platform to just spread out uh, our message or our dormitory information so that people can reach to us. Okay, so before beginning our this video, we have to just us understand the local laws and regulations. So there are zonings law ensuring your property is in a zone where dormitory or similar accommodations are allowed. Second thing is that licensing obtaining necessary permits or business license for operating a lodging facility. Third one is fire and safety regulations. uh, in fire and safety regulations, we have to install fire extinguisher and smoke detectors and emergency exits, and which basically comply with local fire safety codes. Now, fourth point is health regulations. We have to follow a basic sanitation and hygienic guidelines for shared spaces like kitchens and bathrooms. So these are some basic facilities when we talk about opening a dormitory. Now, just move forward and understand things in more better way. So, establishing a dormitory in Uttarakhand, India, involve adhering to several laws and regulations to ensure compliance and safety. So, first of all, zoning laws means land use compliance. Verify that your land is suited in a zone permitted dormitory or lodging facilities. This entails consulting the Uttarakhand Building Construction and Development Bylaws and Regulations 2011, Amendment 2017, which outline permissible land use and building norms. Okay, so what it's saying, it is this statement say that when we talk about dormitory, so it is authorized, you have to be authorized from your zoning council that you are allowed to open a dormitory in your land. Second thing is that licensing and permits. So business registration, register your lodging facility with appropriate local authority. For example, if there is a Uttarakhand Tourism Development Board, you have to register with it. Provide a travel trade registration service for the tourism related business or including lodging establishment. If for example you are opening a stay, so you have to just register in Uttarakhand Tourism Development Board, because now your property comes into uh, tourism category, because your property promote it, so it has to be licensed and permitted through the Uttarakhand Tourism Development Board. Second thing is that guest house license. If operating as a guest house, obtain the necessary license by submitting an application to the relevant authorities such as regional director of Indian tourism. The application should include details like names, address of the guest house, owner information, site plan and necessary NOC. So these are some things which has to be noted and important. Now third point is fire and safety regulations. There is fire safety compliances should be, for example, install appropriate fire safety equipment including fire extinguisher and smoke detector, and ensure the ability of emergency exits. So this has to be noted. Means if you're opening a dormitory, the safety compliance has to be must. Means you have to just obtain a no objection certificate NOC from fire service department also, because in case there is a fire or any uh, safety related conditions, it has to be secure from it. Fourth point is health and sanitation regulations. Health department clearance has to be there. Means you have to maintain a high standard of hygiene and sanitation, especially in shared space like kitchen and bathroom, because as you know there has to be used by many people, so there has to be a hygiene related things in it. Now, secure a certificate and license from local municipality or corporation means you have to obtain a license also from your local municipality or nagar nigam, because you when they give you a license or certificate, it means that your property is very well hygiene and sanitary maintained. Now, some additional consideration you have to be noted, like there is a police clearance. Police clearance means obtain a clearance certificate from a local police department authorizing the operations of lodging facilities. Means now you have to just uh, obtain a clearance certificate from a local police authority department that you are operating the lodging facility. Second thing is that environmental practices means implement eco-friendly measures, just for example energy saving devices or water conservation practices, for example rainwater harvesting or uh, just solar energy you used for electricity. So these are some environmental practices which promote it, and it create a positive impact on the other also. Now third thing is that security measures means ensure a adequate security arrangement, including secure storage facility and a surveillance system to safeguard guests and their belongings. So this also has to be there. Means a surveillance system is a plus point, and also it is must, because it ensure that their things and document and things are items is being protected. These are some important things you have to be noted. So these are some repeated things which we already discussed. So this fire safety approval you take from the fire department or fire service. Now trade and business license, for example if from you can get it from local municipal authority or local business department, and health and safety from this nagar nigam itself. Then occupancy certificate from your local municipal authority, same. Tax registration if applicable, for example if there is a turnover more than 1 lakh per month and 2 lakh, sorry, then in that case it has to be included in GST, otherwise not needed. So best thing you can do is that you can seek the legal guidance, consult with a legal professional, or understand the specific license and permit required for operating a dormitory in your area. Second thing is that comply with regulation, ensure that full compliance and with all local laws and regulation to operate your business legally and ethically, because it is very well needed. If you are opening such thing, then you operate or you obtain a legal or ethical ways, not illegal ways. Now second thing is that how to just operate it and how to plan things. Second thing is that plan the space means sleeping arrangement, decide on number of bed or room type, single, double, bunk bed, which types of bed you want to be placed in your dormitory. uh, Second thing is the common area, for example providing shared spaces like lounge, dining area or kitchen. This has to be there, that you provide a shared space where there's a kitchen or they can just cook their food also there. Now a thing is that most dormitory don't provide the separate kitchen, but you can just make a roadmap which you can provide and which cannot, and based on that you can just point out your things in your uh, Google Maps and in your business section of WhatsApp if you make in future. Now also you can talk about there in bathroom means educate, ensure adequate facilities for number of occupant. If there are so many occupant, so you have to also increase the bathroom. Also you have to make storage facilities means ensuring lockers or secure storage spaces for personal belongings. If they bring some bags with them, then it has to be a locker where they can store their items securely there. Now renovation and interior design means there has to be comfortable furniture. For example, if you provide a bedding, then it has to be comfortable enough. The cushion you provide has to be comfortable enough. Otherwise it is no matter how good outside it look, inside it is not well comfortable and cushioned. Now durability, use material that easy to clean and maintain. You have to be just keep in your mind that inside your house there has to be tiles or well furnished, well maintained. Otherwise cleaning can be or will be a very hectic task to be. Now aesthetic create a welcoming and pleasant environment with good lighting and decor. So it has to be there a good lighting because uh, it create an impact and give a long lasting impact on the visitor when lighting is good. Fourth point is set up a essential amenities, for example wi-fi, uh, high speed internet. If you offer high speed internet your internet, then it is a plus point. And utilities means ensuring uninterrupted power and water and heating cooling systems. Second thing is that laundering facilities that include washing machine or provide laundry service. This has to be there. You can include, but it is not necessary that you provide a laundry or washing machine service. But when there is a proper business service or proper in large scale, then they also provide the laundry facilities, but it's on you. Now establish operational policies means rules and regulations define policies or noise. For example cleanliness and curfew when uh, has to be noise, and smoke area, non-smoke area, you have to define all that. Okay. Now check-in check-out time means set clear process for managing arrivals and departures. It has to be clear then when the arrival and when the departure is set. Then there is a rent and payment mean decide on pricing. uh, Already you have to decide pricing, payment method and security deposit if there is any. So I'm not saying that you have to be extraordinary with your beds or you have to make the bunker beds itself in starting, and you have to just uh, set up everything perfect. But you can try. Okay, you can try. You can just start with your simple beds. When you see that in your area the people are coming and you are doing it well, okay, then you can just shift your single bed to the bunker bed and so on. So this is the strategy you can play out. Now sixth thing is marketing and advertisement. This thing is very important, and this is where you can get your maximum customers, or you can say the 99.99% customers, not from just saying your words to shop and tell them that if any person came then send it to your dormitory. Rather marketing and advertising is way much better and very profound impact on housing. So online platform means list your dormitory on rental or lodging platform like Airbnb, booking.com or local classified. In these website you can just list your dormitory. Now second thing is the social media, use platform like Facebook, Instagram and WhatsApp to promote your space. Third point is that partnership, collaborate with neighbors, schools, college or companies for long term tenants. Your schools, college or companies for long term tenants means you can just partnership with the school, college, that if there is anybody or any students, you can just send them to that to your dormitory. So this is the thing you can just promote your dormitory. Seventh thing is that maintenance and staffing. So cleaning staff, you have to hire people to maintain a cleanness and hygiene. Second thing is that security staff means consider having a security guard or CCTV system for safety. Third point is that repair and upkeeping, schedule regular maintenance to keep the property in good condition. You have to regularly maintain and keep the property in good condition. 8 point, we majorly just ignore this point, but this is the most important point to be noted, that community activities means you have to just organize community activity or foster sense of community among residents. Feedback system, this is very important. If I can say that anything is more important in this, that this is feedback, because it encourages residents to share their opinion for continuous improvement. If you continuously improve, then only things can be in better way. Otherwise uh, you just stuck onto your starting process also itself, and you never improve your service. So foremost and so important that there is a feedback system, and you apply that feedback system uh, when they are going. Or also you can just ask to them that how's your stay and how you can you wanna rate it. Now third point is customer service, be responsive and approachable for any issue. If there is any issue, you have to be just responsive immediately to that problem. So these are some uh, main things, and you can also see in picture how these domes are being made and how it looks. Okay, so in this video, this is today we discuss about some basic principles, some basic laws, and some basic things. Yeah, when when starting, when on starting you are opening things, it not always be perfect. Yeah, there can be things that you cannot obtain. You're just experimenting with things, and in starting you are just seeing that how your dormitory works or not. On that level, on starting level, it's not necessary that you just obtain all license and all the work itself in starting, but you can just try, you can just upload the pics in internet and try and see how the response is. If response is good, then you have to if you are gonna mm, uh, properly, you set your mind that yeah, I'm gonna open this dormitory, then you have to just take all the legal document, and you have to make all the legal document from fire safety, from Nagar Nigam, from police itself, that later on these authorities don't trouble you. So this is the it for this video. Next video, we talk about how to just promote it, how to use different website, how to just set the payment method, how did we just use Google Maps as our advantage and promote our dormitory or rent service or homestay or hotel in that way or other. So thank you for watching this video. If you get any information from this video, you can just like and comment. And if you don't like, if you think that this video is not educate, and there's so much improvement, you can just give us feedback in our comment section, and you can just write down in which ways or in which area we have to improve. So this is for this we end this video in this note. Thank you, and best of luck for your new dormitory if you are opening it. Thank you.